Okay, so moving on the coordinate grid, a couple things. Ordered pairs are always an x and a y axis moves. The x comes first and then the y. So we're going to just model a couple of how these look. So if we are going to the point 3, -1, we are going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0. We're going to move 3 right, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and keeping our finger right there, now we're going to move 1 down. Boom. So that point, 3, -1, is located at 3 to the right and 1 down, right here on that axis. The second point, -2, 2. X always comes first, and X is left or right. So since it's -2, we're going to go 1 unit, 2 units left, and then up 2, 1, 2. So -2, +2 will be right there. We went 2 left and 2 up. And the third one, 0, -3, well, the x-axis is 0, so we don't move left or right at all. All we do is we move down 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, for you guys, as you try these next couple problems here, you're going to need to make your own coordinate grid in your notebook. And the easiest way to do that is to just draw 2 straight lines, just like this, and then give yourself tick marks. You're not going to need that many. I would probably go out to between 7 and 10 in each direction. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can always add more if you need to, but really this is pretty simple. Before we get into the slides, like if we needed to go to the ordered pair 4, -2 on the grid I just made, I'd go 4 units right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 units down, and that would be right here, and that's where 4, -2 would be located. So if I were you, I would go ahead and pause my tape and make a coordinate grid for yourself before we go on to the next slide. Okay, graphing in the coordinate grid. There are 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 is up here. Quadrant 2 is here. Quadrant 3 is here. Quadrant 4 is here. And all of these quadrants have some particular attributes. So everything in quadrant 1 is positive, positive because it's right and up. Everything in quadrant 2 is negative, positive because it's left and up. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative because it is down and left, and quadrant 4 is positive, negative because it's right and down. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and what I would like you to do right now is go ahead and pause your tape and go ahead and graph the points in quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4 now. Okay, once you have them graphed, the first quadrant, 4, 3 means you go 4 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 up. 2, 4 means 2 right and 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I'm doing is just counting. Quadrant 2, -1, +3 means 1 left and then 1, 2, 3 up. So that point is going to be right there, and what you can do is just erase your jumps as you make them. -4, +5, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Then I'm going to erase my little jumps. Quadrant 3, -1, -4 means left 1, down 4, left 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's that point. -3, -4, 1, 2, 3 left and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last ones in quadrant 4, 4, -6 means 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That point will be right here. And then 2, -5 means 2 to the right, 1, 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down.